Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Salesforce contacts for LinkedIn Ads lead. So I'm running some LinkedIn ads over here, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically I want to create that lead as a new contact in my Salesforce account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn account with my Salesforce account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my LinkedIn Campaigns Manager account, and here I'm running some campaign. So basically here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn ad, then automatically I want to create that lead as a new contact in my Salesforce account. So now here to build the automation, I need to connect my LinkedIn account with my Salesforce account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly such as Pabbly Connect, Pabbly Subscription Billing, Pabbly Email Marketing, Pabbly Form Builder, Pabbly Email Verification, Pabbly Hook and Pabbly Chart Flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video, we are going to integrate our different applications, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this axis now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given over here in the top right corner. And then it is asking me to select the Workflow Builder. So here you can see two options. One is New Beta and the another one is Classic. So basically Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas Classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this newly launched feature, that is Beta version, by clicking on the Select button given over here, and then a Create Workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So we need to give a name to our workflow, so I'm going to give the name as Create Salesforce Contacts for LinkedIn Ad Leads. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Contacts. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on this Add Trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through my LinkedIn lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn over here, and my app event as lead notifications. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your LinkedIn account in the same browser. And if you're not logged in your LinkedIn account and you're going to build a new connection, then it is going to ask for the username and the password of your LinkedIn account. And once you're going to add the details, automatically your LinkedIn account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. And here it is asking for the sponsored account. So here to get the sponsored account, let me take you to my LinkedIn's campaign manager, and here you can see the account that I'm using with the name Pabbly's ad account. So moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here from this drop down I'm going to select my account as Pabbly's ad account, and then we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to my campaigns manager account. So this is my LinkedIn ads campaign manager, and here I've already drafted a test campaign with the name lead generation. So I'm going to select that, and under this campaign I've also drafted a test form with the name Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open it over here. And then here I'm going to click on the supply now. Alright, so this is my test lead form, and here you can see it is asking me to enter the email address and the phone number, whereas first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot add these details. So basically the reason behind this is that this is the test lead form, and here if you're running the live form, then automatically your user can add all these details. Alright, so for now I'm going to add the email address as test@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number over here. Alright, so now after entering the email address and the phone number, I'm going to click on the submit, and here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. That means we have successfully generated a test lead in our LinkedIn ad. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here we need to wait for some seconds to receive a response. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here, where we have received the email address, phone number, first name, last name and the company name of our lead with some other details. So this is the test response that we have received, and with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead to our LinkedIn ad, then automatically I want to add this lead as a new contact in my Salesforce account. So for that I'm going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Salesforce and my app event as create a contact. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Salesforce account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Salesforce. And here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And once again here I easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Salesforce account. And if you're going to build a new connection, then it is going to ask for the Salesforce username and the password as well. Alright, so here we are successfully connected. Let's move forward, and then here's asking me to enter the first name, last name and some other details. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new lead through a LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name of my lead. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the phone number. And here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And then here you can also add the lead source. I'm going to keep it as web only. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Salesforce for the new lead received through our LinkedIn. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name, and here you can see the phone number and the email address as well. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn and our action as Salesforce, so that when you're going to receive new lead through a LinkedIn ad, then automatically that lead is going to be created as a new contact in our Salesforce account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create Salesforce contacts for LinkedIn ads leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.